think I got it.
Oh, yeah! Ah!
Don't move, anybody. No, nobody move. Nobody move. Nobody move. Nobody move. When I say run, run like hell.
My little boy.
What are you out of your mind?
Okay.
Yeah.
What does a whale say?
I don't know.
Why? Ham, 16.
Oh my god.
God!
Get it!
Okay, what I found. Roach, a big one.
I'm gonna get somebody. Stuart, look what I got in the pool. Look what I got in the pool. Look at that!
What's that?
She trained herself.
She did that all on her own.
She did that all on her own. We have absolutely no idea how the cat started peeing on the toilet.
Where's Doe? Where's the ice cream?
Coulter, Alice, darn you little pup.
Oh, we lost Papa.
What does a pig say?
Oink.
What does a whale say?
Great.
Now feel over it.
Watch it. But as the positive goes on, I'm going to tighten. Ah! Shit, come on! Come on!
Okay, now jerk it real hard. Whoa!
Daddy winning.
Wake up, Theo. Wake up. Oh, hi, Theo. What?
What sound does a whale make?
You stupid!
Okay.
Just a sec.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Hey, look. It's glue. I've been planning this all week to get you on.
Check and see if that box strap down.
on, Crusher. Feel the burn. We can't give up now. Keep working. 3, 4. Come on. Abs of steel, Crusher. Just think. Bikini season soon. 7, 8.
Look what Miss Allison found. It's an egg. It must have fallen out of a nest. I couldn't find the nest, but this is an egg from a bird. Look at the beautiful color. It's blue. Oops. Oh my goodness, I have to be careful.
Get the light switch. Can you bring it with you? No?
No, Smokey!
No, don't let go, Smokey. Don't do
Turn
it.
the lights. Smokey, let go.
What does a whale say? Whale goes.
He went into my socks and underwear tub and came out wearing my Christmas underwear.
Do you not see this? I'm being attacked by a turkey. Now, quick, quick, quick.
Mom, don't. This is cruelty. Yay! Oh! Oh! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
Stay on it. Stay on it.
Wait a little. Oh! Nice.
I'd rather have this kind of mouse in the house than the other kind, though.
Apple. Apple. B. B. Banana.
What do you think?
Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh
Yep.
my!
And I already loaded them up. They're ready to use. So open them up.
Ah!
What do you think?